Doing laundry while on vacation can be a bit challenging, but there are several options you can consider depending on your location and preferences. Use a local laundromat. Most cities have laundromats where you can wash and dry your clothes for a fee. You can find laundromats by searching online or using apps like Yelp or Google Maps. Check with your hotel or rental property. Many hotels and vacation rentals offer laundry services for their guests. This may include in-room washing machines, dryers, or laundry services for a fee. It's a good idea to check with your hotel or rental property before your trip to see what options are available. Wash clothes by hand. If you're staying in a place where you don't have access to laundry facilities, you can wash your clothes by hand using a sink or bathtub. You can use laundry detergent and wash clothes in warm water and then hang them up to dry. Pack enough clothes for your trip. If you're only going on a short vacation, you can pack enough clothes for the duration of your trip and avoid the need to do laundry altogether. It's important to note that not all of these options may be practical or available depending on your destination and travel plans. It's always a good idea to research your options before your trip and make sure you have a backup plan in case your primary method of doing laundry doesn't work out.